Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to update your domain's DNS records for email in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to domains. And next to your domain registered as Hostinger, click on manage. Now jump to the DNS/name servers page and scroll down a little bit. You will see manage DNS records. Now let's get the email DNS records that I will add or update here. By the way, my domain name and email account are both registered and created on Hostinger, but on separate Hostinger accounts. For you, if your domain is on the same account with your email account, it will be the same method. So it's simple and the same thing. Now let's log in to where I have my email accounts on Hostinger. Then go to emails. And next to your domain name, as you see, benstutorial.com, it's the same domain, benstutorial.com. Click on mailboxes. Then go to connect domain. As you see here, I have lots of errors because my email DNS records are not updated or are not added. Let's start with the first DNS records, which is responsible of receiving emails. As you see, for the current records, nothing has been found, and the expected records are these ones. Let's start with the first one. As you see, for the record type is MX. Let's search for MX on this list. MX. For the name is already written, and for the value, I recommend you to copy it like that to avoid any copying errors. Copy, then paste here. For the priority is 5. Right here 5. For the TTL, this number, it's the same thing. Let's paste it like that, and it's the same thing. Now click on add a record. As you see, DNS record created successfully. Now let's repeat the same thing, MX name with the second value. MX the value here, the priority is 10, and the TTL is the same number. Click on add record. DNS record created successfully. Now let's check them. I think here they are. Those are my first two records. Now to make sure that these records are added successfully, click on check status. And as you see now, next to status, I see a green connected word instead of no records. Here, if you click on check status and you still see no records instead of connected, don't worry or rush. Just be patient here because DNS updates sometimes take time to fully take effect. Now let's move to the reputation responsible records. As you see, this time is a single record with a TXT type. Let's add TXT. Where is it? This is it. Name and this is the value. Copy it. Name for the TXT value. This is it. Now the TTL is 3600. Update it like that and hit add record. DNS record created successfully. Now let's check status again. As you see, when I've checked the second time, I got no records for both of those status, but just instantly returned to connected. So if you see connected then no records, I'm talking about the status here, don't worry, this is normal. Now let's jump to the email deliverability. Here we have a CNAME type. Let's look for CNAME. This is it. For the name, now instead of you should paste this name. And for the value, copy, paste here. For the TTL is 300. Let's write it manually and click on add record. Let's repeat the same thing with the second value. CNAME, copy, paste, 300, add record, copy, CNAME, paste, copy. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join .com.builders Academy from this link, academy.com.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Copy, paste, 300, add record. DNS record created successfully. Now let's also add the records responsible for message authentication, which is this simple txt value. Search for txt, the name, this is it, and the value is this one. And for the TTL is 3600. Click on add record. DNS record created successfully. Now let's check the status again. Here, as you see now, instead of connected, I got no records with not connected. To check what DNS record started showing up, simply click on the tab, and as you see, the last record was detected, but not for the other two. Here, just keep checking status till you see, as you see now, you get connected next to all of those statuses. And this is how to update your domain's DNS records for email in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.